Hey guys, sorry I really haven't posted a video in a while. I really haven't been feeling good, and I'm still not, but check out this fucking snow. I mean, you guys can't tell right now, but it's actually snowing pretty damn hard right now. I'm really tired of this shit. Like, it's pretty damn bad. I'm just honestly glad I'm not driving in this shit. Because, quite frankly, I don't want to, but they say it's supposed to clear up by 1, like it's all of it's supposed to melt, so I don't know. But I don't know, at least later might. I don't know whether there's a foot out here or what. It's snowing pretty damn good right now, and it's crazy. Well, this is gonna be our first snowstorm of the season, and all that. Yeah, it's pretty damn crazy, guys. And if you want me to do more videos like this, oh damn, my voice just cracked. Sorry about that, guys. I will be sure to post more, but this honestly might be our first snowstorm of the season. So, just try to stay warm, and oh yeah, see, that's how hard it's snowing right now. Just goes to tell you that I'm not messing around. Well, anyways, I'll try to upload more if I can. It's supposed to clear up by 1 o'clock, but I don't. You see, I was supposed to have freaking plans today, and they got ruined. Freaking ruined. Pathetic. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video when I upload one. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, see you guys.